How you do, everybody? I'm your host for Mt.Union Honey Farms. My name is Brian, and I made a little slight adjustment to where I set my hive at here on this tripod type deal. You can see where I can set two boxes side by side there between these two, and then two more this way, and makes it where you don't have to set anything on the ground. Makes it easier on your back. But made a couple little adjustments because I've got package bees coming, and so up under here I've added a little tiny screen, and it's flexible. It's not like a hard screen, but that'll act as a reducer, and the bees can just walk right under it if they really want to. And then I've got this little deal that I made right here, and it shades the entrance to the hive. It shades the entrance to the hive and keeps rain off of it. You can see the top cover here. Let me show you where it lines up, and it drips onto this board and then drips onto the ground, and it doesn't drip onto the entrance landing. So it'll help keep your beehive dry on the inside, and for you northern climate folks, this will help keep snow off of the landing board, and it'll help keep your hives a little bit drier. Y'all have a good one.